Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus 7T Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to wipe the cache partition on this device. Let's start by turning off the device, and to do that let's just press and hold the power button, and then tap power off option on the screen. And once the device turns off, we need to press the power button and volume down button together. So let's press and hold them. And when the OnePlus logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. And here we can select the language. We can either use the volume buttons like that to move through the menu and use the power button to select the options, or we can just tap on the screen like this and we are in the recovery menu. Here let's tap on wipe data and cache, and then tap on wipe cache and tap yes to confirm. Once we see the message wipe success, tap reboot. And that should be all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.